The Marabou stork is one of those birds that have learned to reside where most other animals find it difficult to thrive. They lack the sweat glands to release heat through evaporation. But how do they regulate their body temperature? They do so by excreting a mixture of urine and feces rich in uric acid directly onto their long legs. As this liquid hits the warm skin of their legs, it evaporates into the dry air. Just like sweat evaporating off human skin, this process pulls heat away from their blood vessels circulating near the surface of their legs. The cold blood then travels back into the core of the body, bringing the bird's overall internal temperature down. Furthermore, that white, chalky coating left behind acts as a natural sunblock. The light color reflects the sun's harsh rays away from their dark legs, preventing their skin underneath from absorbing excess radiation. It is a dual-action cooling system: immediate evaporative refrigeration, followed by long-lasting thermal shielding. This extreme cooling method becomes crucial when you look at where the Marabou stork spends most of their time. While they've been historically relying on following megafauna like wild beast or hovering around vulture kills on the wild open plains, today, modern garbage sites have become their irresistible alternative. Their massive, thick bills tear into heavy plastic bags, thick hides, and tough animal remains that smaller birds cannot penetrate. They act as apex scavengers in these man-made ecosystems. Their featherless heads and necks, which might look strange at first, are actually an essential tool for this lifestyle. Their bald head make it easy for them to prevent dangerous bacteria and parasites from taking root near the bird's eyes and beak. Interestingly, their scavenging habits also showcase their intelligence and efficiency. Flying requires an immense amount of energy for a bird weighing up to nearly 20 pounds. To conserve energy, Marabou storks rarely flap their wings over long distances. Instead, they wait for the morning sun to heat the earth, creating powerful rising columns of warm air called thermals. The storks ride these invisible elevators high into the sky, soaring effortlessly above cities and wilderness alike, scanning the horizon for signs of food. Once they spot a landfill, a slaughterhouse, or a predator kill, they spiral downward, landing precisely where the feast awaits. Once on the ground, their dominant physical presence allows them to intimidate rival scavengers like vultures, crows, and feral dogs. They stride through garbage dumps like prehistoric sentinels, swallowing massive chunks of meat, fish scraps, and even discarded bone whole. Their digestive systems are remarkably robust, equipped with powerful stomach acids capable of neutralizing lethal pathogens and dissolving tough biological materials that would kill most other animals. In many ways, the Marabou stork is a creature of ultimate practicality. It does not waste energy on aesthetic elegance or subtle behaviors. Every physical trait, from its bold red head to its inflatable throat pouch, serves a functional purpose. And every habit, no matter how repulsive it might seem to human eyes, is a finely tuned survival strategy